Hi, the following video is to demonstrate the use of Google Classroom and specifically showing you how to upload work for assessment with the various departments at Bishopston. Initially, once you've signed into Hub, you will need to click on the Google for Education link. At this stage, you will then be greeted with all the different classrooms that you're currently signed into. For this occasion, it's just the one, but for the majority of pupils, there would be quite a lot more. Once you're within the classroom, select Classwork at the top of the screen. And you will be able to see a variety of different upload options. We were then required to upload a file for assessment. On this example, if I scroll down, you can see it says View Assignment. When you click on View Assignment, it takes you into the section, and then the main focus is in this top right section here when it comes to uploading work. The details are on the left, plus any resources to support, but to upload the work, you're on the top right corner. If you press Add or Create, it comes up with a variety of different options. You should mainly be focusing on the top three, as they're the most likely options you will need to upload your work. Google Drive, if you've completed a piece of work which is currently saved in your Google Drive, you'd use that option. Link, if you wanted to upload an actual web link. And File, if you have an actual file saved on your laptop or PC, then this would allow you to upload the file into Google Classroom. This could include a photograph taken of a handwritten piece of work. If we start with Google Drive, this will now look at your most recent work completed on Google. By clicking on My Google Drive, you can see the most recent pieces of work. And if I was to click on this section here and press Add, it would then add this file from Google Drive into the area. The last step to complete this task would be to hand in, and that would then alert the teacher that the work has been completed. If you upload that by mistake, you can press the cross and then go to Add or Create. So the second upload option is where we go to Link, and there's space for you to insert a hyperlink to a particular piece of work. This will be appropriate for certain instances, but it won't be as common as the other two options. One example is within ICT, pupils are creating games in Scratch. And here this game has a hyperlink at the top that they could in turn copy and then paste by right-clicking and pasting into here and add in the link. And just like with the first example, you would then press Hand In to confirm that this is a completed piece of work. Another option with the link is if a pupil would like to upload a piece of work completed in Office 365. If we went into Office 365 and chose to share a particular piece of work, copy link, you could then return to the upload option and paste in the link. So this would establish a link to the Office 365 document. I would actually recommend that rather than doing this approach, you actually download the Office 365 onto your PC if possible, and then upload as the third option, which is the file. If we go to File, there's an option that you can still look in Google Drive, but you could also select files from your device, which could be your PC or laptop. By clicking on this, it takes you into the area. You could find a particular piece of work which you would like to upload. Open the file and it will display here. You could add multiple files and then select Upload. And again, the file is now uploaded for submission, and you could press hand in if you're happy with that. Also, on the upload option, there is a section for private comments. So if you wanted to have a dialogue with your teacher, you could actually type in a question or query or something else linked to the work here, and the teacher is able to respond to you in this section as well. Once completed, as mentioned before, you press the hand in option. This is asking for final confirmation. And you can see it's now been sent through. There is still the opportunity to unsubmit if you still realize you've made a mistake, or you could just return back to your course and continue with the next piece of work. You will see that once the upload has been made, the icon actually becomes grayed rather than blue to highlight that it's actually been completed.